Hello, my dear Capricorn. Welcome to One Universe Tarot. Every single person is one and the same. Now, the moment you come inside my channel, my dear friend, become happy. See, I know as an earth sign, it's sometimes very difficult to break the mold inside which you are, right? Sometimes it's very rigid that you yourself are finding it difficult to break that and come out of the mold that you have made for yourself. I'm talking about those walls that you have made around you. But I have a very elaborate reading over here, Capricorn. It is too good. Like all the answers that you need right now is here. First of all, this is an important reading because we have Mercury, the planet of communication, is retrograding right now. So what does this mean? You will get lot of things that happened in the past. Where did you go wrong? What did you do incorrectly? Why this result is coming? What can you change? What should you revisit and recalibrate? These are the things that Mercury, the planet of communication, will bring to the forefront. Okay? Let us see all that. Okay, now listen, this is not a channel for the faint hearted, because whatever you hear from me will be in your face. It will be direct. It will not have any mushy squishy thing. I think that you really like, because your earth sign, no, you're very practical and logical. So I'll tell you as it is in your face right now. I have some announcement now. See, look forward to the live reading that I'm going to start very soon. In that you will get to know, you'll have private reading basically. You can ask directly your question. Immediately I'll pull out the card and I will give you the answer, which will be 100% correct. My cards never lie. Okay, no card will lie actually of any tarot reader. Okay, unless and until they interpret wrongly. Okay, let us see your reading right now. All my readings first of all are timeless, so you can go and see the playlist. All the readings are there. If any reading heading or the title is resonating with you, you are supposed to watch it. When you watch it, is the right time for you to watch it. Okay, and first of all, you first go and give the like button a tap, and then put the bell notification on alarm, so that you get to know when I upload, or else you won't know. This is going to be a 10-minute reading. Okay, and there is availability of private reading right now. Normally it is $50. Okay, you are a very pragmatic person. You are getting a steal right now. For $25 you will get 40 to 45 minutes reading with lots of decks, and you will get all the answers that you need. Your life will be set. Okay, that is a guarantee from my side. If 10 minutes can give you your life story, you just watch the reading. I'll tell you exactly what is happening in your life. Okay, but don't force it. Maybe if it is not feeling like you're reading, you have to watch your other moon sign like that and all. Okay, let us start now. The first card that you have here is the Five of Pentacles. Can you see that? That is the beggar card. So automatically I'm able to see financial problem. You don't have money. What did you do? Why you don't have money? You are feeling left out in the cold, and there is somebody else also is suffering because of your miscalculation. Okay, but don't worry, something is hidden. Something is hidden definitely. In 3 days or 4 days we have the moon. New moon is also happening. So you have the moon card also. Under the King of Pentacles, I have the moon card. So moon card is basically something that you cannot see right now. Mercury retrograde is like that only. What you see is not what you get. What you are hearing, the communication will not be clear. You understand? You cannot see things clearly right now. That is the moon also. Hazy, secretive, something which is kept under the rug. Correct? That is the moon card. So the money is there. Don't worry. The money is there. The money is there. The thing is that you will not see it right now. No problem. What is happening right now is you are not taking care of yourself. That is something that I am seeing. Self-care is something that you have neglected. You are being in the spur of the moment and kind of getting very jittery. You are scared, oh God, money is not there, what will I do? And as a Capricorn, I can understand, if money security is not there, you just lose it. So that is what is happening, which is understandable. But my friend, I am telling you, Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. There is, see, you understand that there is a methodology for everything. There is a method. There is a way. There is rules. Yeah, there is a set way of doing things, and if you learn that set way of doing things, you will get the result. Correct. And I'm going to tell you what those rules are right now. The rule is that right now you just take a seat, take a seat and you relax and put your mind into a little bit of relaxation mode and think where you went wrong and what you're supposed to change. Okay, meditation is going to give you beautiful results, but I'm seeing you not doing that at all. Not even the M of meditation you are doing. You are not at all doing. No dedication, no meditation, no tension, basically. You are not doing that. But that is like the devil. The devil card is also there. Maybe you are not able to see that. Like I can show you. Wait. Can you see the devil? Yeah, the devil is there, and the Ace of Swords is in reverse, but the Ace of Pentacles is in the upright. Isn't that beautiful? You have the Five of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles right next to each other. You are holding on to grieving. Oh God, which is so like you. Don't do that. Gloomy, sad. I told you as soon as you enter the channel, for no reason, start becoming happy. I'm telling you, these are rules. Learn it. Just do it and you will see magic unfold. Okay, so that is your money situation. Now the resources are not coming. You have to wait. But don't worry, it will come very soon. And you have the devil card also. You are very toxically attached to this pattern of thinking negatively, which will always inevitably give you negative result only. So don't do that, my friend. Snap out of it. And there is one more situation of a beautiful family, of a very secure family with lot of money coming together, of love, very balanced situation. Somebody is probably wanting to come towards you with a message. Could be a Sagittarius, could be Pisces, could be Scorpio, could be Aquarius also, or oh yeah, you have a double Pisces. Okay, so yes, these are the signs that could be coming towards you, but other signs also may come. Don't be very fixed in that. The thing is that you are trying to find out how authentic they are and everything, but they have a lot of love. Bottom of the deck, Knight of Cups is there, so they are coming, and I feel that you may also be having a lot of love for them, but there is a lot of doubt also, because you feel that they are a manipulator. Did they manipulate you? It's very confusing for you. You're like, oh God, what do I take? Also, there is a sense of a major player energy, major, not small, major player attitude, major in and out energy. I don't know whether it's your energy or their energy, but there is a big player kind of attitude happening over here. So that needs to be tamed down, obviously, toned down. You have to change that attitude, or else obviously this 10 of Cups and 10 of Pentacles cannot happen with the player. It's just not possible. It does not work that way. Okay, so but there is a transformation that is happening with the Death card. Underneath the Page of Rods, the Knight of Rods, you have the Death card, which is the Scorpio card, and that is transformation. So this energy is giving hopes that the player is definitely not going to continue his or her player ways, which is a good thing. And the confusion is going to go. This person is not a manipulator, definitely, and the message that they are saying, sending you, is genuine. If they are reaching out for a proposal, I don't know what they are doing, but it looks like they want to marry you. They are very serious about you, and you don't have to doubt it, because they are coming from the right place. They are not trying to cheat you. They are not going to achieve anything by cheating you. It's very clear in the cards. The Four of Wands is the last card, which is clarifying the Page of Rods. Okay, I think you have been watching their social media, every act of theirs, what they are doing. You are watching them because you want to understand them. keep doing that, okay? Because when you find out the truth, you will obviously get to know, correct? You will get to know that they are the right person, because I can see that in the cards. They are a very fine person. But I don't know what happened. There's a lot of confusion. This person is making you confused like a madman. That I can see very clearly. But the answer to your confusion is you don't have to get confused, my friend. This person is a very fine man or a fine woman. So you can trust them and go ahead with this relationship. Then coming back to your money problems, please, you need to work on yourself. You need to put some love on yourself. Do some self-interrogation and change the pessimistic attitude and start thinking positively. That is when you are going to have money. That's going to be a windfall of money, because you have the Queen of Pentacles and the King of Pentacles are both there. But you know, the Queen of Pentacles is reverse. The Queen of Pentacles is a luxurious card. She is a self-nurturer and nurtures other people also. Take care of herself and takes care of other people also. It's like, you know, I buy my nail polish, but I buy nail polish for other people also. I'm going to the parlor, but you know what? You can also come, Daisy. I will take you and go. Okay, so she is that kind of a person. So she is in reverse. Now what does that mean? She doesn't have nail polish for her. She doesn't have money to buy nail polish for other people also. She herself is not going to the spa. How will she take other people and go to the spa, dude? That is what is happening. Okay, so change that by becoming happy. Only the happy vibration can actually take you away from this nonsense that you have put yourself through. Yes, absolutely calling you out. It is your doing only. I can see it in the cards plainly. So this is where I'm going to leave it. It's already been 12 minutes now. So I will see you in the personal reading if you want. Okay? It's only $25. I told you already. It is not $50. For the Mercury retrograde, I'm having this discount sales going on. Okay? Thank you. Now go and give a like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget to press the bell icon. That is when you will get notified when I upload readings. Bye, Capricorn.